Down at the Barns brings together classic cars and the conversion process with real life stories of people and their love of cars.
Now that I'm semi-retired, I thought what an ideal opportunity to start doing up JWP.
Bringing them up to date for the 21st century and making them literally electrifying.
I'd like to see if we can achieve 400 mile an hour.
This electrification, that is a problem.
Everything from Jaguars to Minis, Stags to Porsches. Subscribe now and never miss an episode.
Bring back a nice car.
I haven't started this for 6 to 9 months.